everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi. Today we are going to learn educational implication of Jain philosophy. So, meaning of education according to Jain philosophy. Education is that which develops Samyak Charitra in students. Samyak Charitra is one of the three Ratnas. Samyak Charitra develops Samyak Gyan and Samyak Darshan. Education provided good behavior, and good behavior can rise the level of life. Jain education provided knowledge and training of Panch Mahavrat, 4 dharma and 3 disciplines. Jain education also focuses on education of religion. Education is the way that develops behavioral aspects in students. Now, objectives of education according to Jain philosophy. To provide real knowledge to students. To develop good attitude in students. Overall development of personality. Developing good social capacities in students. Orienting students toward the means of attaining salvation. Developing religious qualities in the students. Curriculum according to Jain philosophy. According to Jain philosophy, special importance should be given to knowledge of worldly objects in the curriculum. Sermons of Tirthankars should be given special place in the curriculum. The nature of curriculum is more related to life, so it should include topics related to business and industries. Curriculum should include science subjects because metaphysics of Jain philosophy talk about Jeev and Ajeev. Pancha Mahavrat, 4 dharma, 3 controls and ethics should be included in curriculum. Knowledge of all kinds of creatures like insects, other animals and vegetations, soil, water, fire was also included in the curriculum. Philosophy, psychology, biology, geography, chemistry, physics, mathematics, history, social studies, language, arts, skills, commerce, business, all subjects were the part of curriculum. Religious, ethical, physical and professional activities were involved in curriculum. For the development of proper personality, both the theoretical and practical content were involved in curriculum. Now, teaching methods in Jain philosophy. There are mainly 8 teaching methods in Jain philosophy. First, direct and sense experience method, in which sense organs makes experience by direct contact with objects. Second, description or lecture method, in which teacher present the content of subjects which were listened and written by students. Third, logical method. In this, inductive and deductive methods were used. Fourth, uses method. Students were more active in this method. Fifth, contemplation method. In this method, with knowledge, affective side is also involved and active. Sixth, self-education method. This includes victory of 4 kashai, that is, Krodh, Moh, Maya and Lobh. Seventh, insight method. This is also known as spiritual method. Eighth and last one is Kaivalya knowledge method. This is the ultimate method of knowledge attainment. Teachers in Jain philosophy. There were 2 types of teachers found in Jain education. First, Acharya and second, Upadhyay. Acharya were spiritual teachers. Responsibilities of Acharya was to build the characters and to maintain discipline in students. Upadhyay were teachers who provided worldly knowledge. Upadhyay were responsible to provide the education of religious behavior and to provide subject knowledge. Now, characteristics of teachers. In Jain philosophy, teachers should be follower of Panch Mahavrat. Teachers should be free from 4 kashai, that are Krodh, Moh, Maya and Lobh. Teachers should be a celibate follower, that is, they follow brahmacharya. Teachers should be restrained their mind, voice and actions. They follow 10 religion of Jain philosophy. They must have impressive personality and good character. They must have the ability to behave equally with every student. They must have full knowledge of the subject. They have ability to satisfy students' doubt and curiosities. The behavior of teachers should be in the form of an ideal to be followed by the students. Now we are going to know about the students in Jain philosophy. Jain philosophy considers two types of students. First, Shravak and second, Shraman. Shravak were Anuvrati and Shraman were Mahavrati. Both follow celibacy and restraint. Shravak involved in household life. The Shravak is expected to have non-violence, truth, non-stealing, immateriality and unvarious in every sphere of their family, social, political and business life. Shraman is a monk. They have to follow more rigorous disciplined rules in life. They spend a life of penance. Now, characteristics of students. Jain philosophy has given 15 characteristics of the students. First, to talk graciously with the teachers. Second, squat down and stay calm. Third, behave fairly. Fourth, do not make fun of laughter and not interested in unnecessary things. 5. Do not insult anyone. 6. Not to quarrel. 7. To be friendly. 8. Not to be proud of knowledge. 9. Do not see the faults of others. 10. Do not get angry with friends. 11. Friendly appreciation of the qualities of unpleasant persons. 12. Do not make speech war and physical war. 13. To restrain the senses. 14. Do not torment anyone with mind, words and activities. 15 and last one, engaging in self-study. Discipline takes very important place in Jain philosophy. In Jain philosophy, discipline is considered as the main means of salvation because discipline is necessary for morality and pure conduct. Some rules have been enacted for ethical conduct under Jain philosophy. Panch Mahavrat, 4 religion and 3 controls are given under these rules. Panch Mahavrat are non-violence, truth, honesty, restraint and grace. In Panch Mahavrat, restraint, that is Sanyam, is synonymous of discipline. 4 religion include generosity, gentleness, pity and penance. 3 controls include mind control, voice control and body control. In Jain philosophy, Nirjara is also used for discipline. Under this, efforts are made to remain in self-discipline by external and internal practice. Here I am ending this session. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for latest update, please press bell icon. Thank you for watching.